The metaverse is a hot topic these days, but what exactly is it? Imagine a network of interconnected virtual worlds. In these worlds, you can work, shop, socialize, and play games using avatars, digital representations of yourself. Unlike traditional video games, the metaverse offers persistent and immersive experiences that blend seamlessly with our physical reality. This concept might sound like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming our reality. Companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, and Microsoft are investing billions of dollars in building the metaverse. They envision a future where we spend significant time in these virtual spaces, working, learning, and interacting with others in new and exciting ways. The metaverse is still in its early stages of development, but its potential impact is enormous. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Just like the internet transformed how we consume information and connect with each other, the metaverse promises to reshape our digital experiences in profound ways. The metaverse isn't just a technological marvel, it's a rapidly growing market with immense investment potential. As the metaverse expands, it will create countless opportunities for businesses and individuals to capitalize on its growth. Investing in the metaverse is akin to investing in the early days of the internet. Back then, many people didn't fully grasp the internet's potential, but those who recognized its transformative power early on reaped significant rewards. Similarly, the metaverse presents a unique opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a potentially revolutionary technology. Numerous avenues exist for investing in the metaverse. You can invest directly in companies building the metaverse infrastructure such as Meta, Microsoft, and Nvidia. You can also explore the world of virtual real estate, where you can buy and sell digital land within metaverse platforms. Moreover, consider investing in companies that create content and experiences for the metaverse, such as gaming studios, fashion brands, and entertainment companies. The key is to identify companies and sectors well positioned to benefit from the metaverse's growth and align your investments accordingly. The metaverse's development is a collaborative effort involving numerous companies and cutting-edge technologies. Tech giants like Meta and Microsoft are heavily invested in building the hardware and software infrastructure that will power these virtual worlds. Meta, for instance, is developing virtual reality and augmented reality headsets that will provide immersive metaverse experiences. Microsoft is focusing on creating enterprise-grade metaverse solutions for businesses, while Nvidia is building powerful graphics processing units essential for rendering complex virtual environments. Beyond these tech giants, countless startups and smaller companies are emerging to fill various niches within the metaverse ecosystem. These companies are developing everything from virtual real estate platforms and avatar creation tools to blockchain-based gaming experiences and decentralized finance applications. The metaverse's foundation rests upon several key technologies, including virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and 5G connectivity. VR and AR technologies create immersive and interactive experiences, while blockchain enables secure and transparent ownership of digital assets within the metaverse. AI will power intelligent avatars and personalized experiences, while 5G connectivity will ensure seamless and high-speed data transmission within these virtual worlds. While the metaverse presents exciting investment opportunities, it's crucial to acknowledge the risks and challenges associated with this emerging technology. The metaverse is still in its infancy, and its long-term success is not guaranteed. One significant risk is the potential for a metaverse bubble. As with any emerging technology, hype and speculation can drive asset prices to unsustainable levels, leading to a subsequent crash. Investors must exercise caution and avoid getting caught up in the hype, focusing instead on sound investment principles and thorough due diligence. Another challenge is the lack of clear regulatory frameworks governing the metaverse. As these virtual worlds blur the lines between the physical and digital realms, governments and regulatory bodies face the complex task of establishing rules and guidelines that protect users and foster innovation. Furthermore, ethical concerns surrounding privacy, data security, and digital identity need to be addressed. As we spend more time in virtual spaces, ensuring the responsible and ethical use of our data and protecting user privacy becomes paramount. Despite these risks, the metaverse's potential benefits are too significant to ignore. By understanding the challenges and approaching investments with a balanced perspective, investors can position themselves to capitalize on the transformative opportunities the metaverse offers.